This is an all-in-one hand and foot treatment video for cracked and tired feet, weak nails, dark colored nails, hand and feet hyperpigmentations, and dark knuckles. This treatment gives instant results and the steps are easy depending on your hand and feet issue. And trust me, this is very effective and you have all the ingredients in your kitchen. Let's go. So first things first, we have to prepare our foot and hand bath. Now to do this, we are going to be using hibiscus. So I chose hibiscus because it is rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and it helps to exfoliate the skin because it also contains AHAs. It brightens your skin, it rejuvenates your skin, and it also improves your skin texture. Now the second ingredient is rice. Now rice is very important key in this particular bath because it helps to enhance blood circulation in your feet, which is good for your whole body. It also helps with hyperpigmentation and it has brightening and lightening effect on your skin. Now the next one is lime. So lime in this mixture works as a disinfectant. It has antimicrobial properties and it helps to deodorize the feet and the hands. Now the citric acid in lime makes it a great exfoliant, breaking down dead skin, and then calluses begin to heal. Let's not forget that lime is very brightening, so it's going to really help you if you have knuckles and hyperpigmentation. It is non-negotiable in this particular bath. Okay, so I just put these three things in my pot with a bit of enough water like that I know is going to cover my feet and my hands. Then I let this boil 10 to 15 minutes. While it's boiling, you go ahead to clean off any cutters on your feet, okay, because we do not want to contaminate our water with any chemicals or anything. Clean your feet and your hands. Now this is what my fingers were looking like. I had artificial nails on, so it really weakened my nails, and my foot looking terrible. Yeah, so we are going to fix this in a moment. Okay, so in a big bowl that you are sure will cover your foot and your hands, transfer your bath into it. Okay, everything, make sure is not cold. As you can see a little steam. So at this point, this was a bit warm. It was in between warm and hot. Okay, it shouldn't be cold, so it can like open up your pores and do the things it needs to do. It needs to be a bit hot to be able to do this. Okay, so while I'm on that, let me show you the scrub I used. So Vaseline petroleum jelly. See, if you're having cracked feet and you have not used petroleum jelly, please try it and thank me later. But watch this video first and see how you're going to use it. Okay, yes, because we are still going to use it later. So mix everything together and our scrub for our hand and feet is ready. Now I chose Vaseline because it really helps. See, even if you don't do this bath and you just use Vaseline on your feet, you're going to wake up with a soft feet, trust me. So that's why I actually chose it. So it's been about 5 to 10 minutes since I soaked my hand and feet in this bath. By this time, my nails were already softened, and this is the best time for you to start scraping your nails. This is really going to help you if you're having discoloration on your nails or anything like you need to clean your nails, like those inner cuticles. This is the time, and this bath helps to really loosen up my nails and everything. So just go ahead and use something. This is what I had. There is a better instrument for this. If I see it, I'm going to put in the picture. So just use it, scrape your nails behind the cuticles, everything. Make sure you get out every dirt from your nails and rinse as you go. And also remember your hands, please. In this particular pampering routine, this is not just your leg. Your hand is not your servant here. Your hands here, your fingers are also being pampered. So anything you do for your legs, for your feet, do the same for your hands. Okay, so the next stage is to use this stone and scrub. So I remove my leg from the water and then I'm scrubbing my foot or my feet with the stone. Okay, do it as hard as you can. Yeah, the stone is actually safe, like it's not as hard as it looks, so just take your time and do it. And also remember the back of your toes. Okay, they do a lot of working for you.
Little did I know I could do it on my own. Self-doubt and conflictions, our aches and addictions all try to weigh me down, but I refuse to drown. Had to stand up tall and face all of my fears alone.
Then to the sugar scrub, I added tea tree oil. This is totally optional. If you don't have it, you can leave it out. Okay, then I went ahead to scrub my foot thoroughly. Okay, take your time to do this. Scrub your foot, scrub the front of your foot, that is, scrub your whole feet. Okay, this is not just for your foot, this is also for your feet. For those of you that have knuckles, that have slippers line, sun tanning on your legs, just take your time and scrub. Also scrub in between your toes, scrub your nails. This will also help your nails to get stronger and everything. And also scrub your hands. Just like I said, this treatment is not just for your feet, it is also for your hands, your palm, your fingers, in between your fingers, your knuckles, just everywhere you have spots on your hands. Focus on them. Just take your time. Take like 5 minutes of your time to do this, then rinse it out with the same water. I just use the same water to do basically everything. So rinse it out, then we are going to do the next thing. So the next step coming up is for those that have hyperpigmentation on their hands and on their feet, and those of you that have knuckles on your hands and on your feet. Okay, you are going to do this, but if you don't have any of those, then you can skip this part and go to the last part, which is going to be softening of the foot, of your hands and your feet totally. Okay, so you are going to need a cleanser, just any facial cleanser you use. Once it contains any form of acid like salicylic acid, lactic acid, benzoic acid, especially if it contains lactic acid, it is going to be very, very good. So if you have any lactic acid cleanser, use it to clean your feet, clean your knuckles, clean your leg, like clean the whole affected area. This is going to help you with your knuckles. This is going to help you with dark spots on your feet. It's going to help you with hyperpigmentation. It's going to help you with any form of dark spots on your feet. Okay, this is going to just help the lemon in the water bath to really work for you. So take your time to do this, like clean all your feet. If you have suntan, if you have sun demarcation, slippers line on your feet, you really need to do this step because it is going to help to really clear it. Okay, before I started this, the slippers line on my legs were quite obvious, but as you can see now, they have brightened up a bit just in this instant. So you can actually do this like once a week or twice a month. The choice is yours, just as you have the time. But trust me, this is very, very beneficial if you're having hyperpigmentation and dark knuckles. It is really, really going to help you. So those of you that are having dark feet and dark hands, you can try this out. It is going to help. Then to follow up, I'm using this Nature Secret cream. Okay, yeah, I'm also going to apply it on my knuckles. So if you have a cream like this that is brightening, or you have any lightening cream, okay, you can use it on your knuckles. So I'm just doing this just to demonstrate. I actually don't have any knuckles or anything, so this is just a demonstration. So if you have knuckles, you need to get a cream that is brightening, okay, that you can apply on your knuckles, on your feet and on your hands to help brighten. Because remember, you just exfoliated your knuckles, you have exfoliated your legs, so this is the right time to use your actives. All right, so it is going to penetrate into your knuckles and help to brighten it up. And the next stage is absolutely necessary to seal in everything we just did here. So this is actually the last stage where you are going to be using your moisturizer. So here I'm using this Nivea. So just any moisturizer that you know is very moisturizing, you are going to apply it on your feet. That is after applying the lightening cream on your knuckles and all of that. So apply your moisturizer, like really apply it. Apply a large quantity of it on your feet, on your legs, and on your hands. Remember, do not forget your fingers, your hands in this process. Then you are going to follow up with Vaseline. This is very compulsory. Like, even if you're going to skip anything in this particular video, do not skip using Vaseline for this. So you're going to take the Vaseline and apply it on your feet. So make sure you massage it on your foot, on your heel. Okay, those places that get cracked, that get tired, apply it there. Okay, so when you're done with your legs, also remember your hands. I know why I'm emphasizing the hands. Then you're going to need to wear this thing. See, let me tell you the truth. Wear this nylon bag. It might look very funny, but do it. Okay, wear it on your hands and leave it overnight. Trust me, you are going to wake up with hands and legs that as soft as baby's own. All right, so this is the next day. I'm just showing you the result, what my leg looks like. This is how your feet is going to look like when you take out the nylon. The nylon might be quite uncomfortable if this is your first time trying it. Okay, but just try it. The first time it wasn't easy for me, but the second time, third time, yeah, I could sleep with it comfortably, and trust me, the result is rewarding. Yeah, that's all for today. Thank you. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, share, and leave a comment below. Bye.